Hey you guys, welcome to Miss Kim's Home Ec 101. I am going to make us some wonderful bourbon glazed salmon for our supper tonight. So let's get this started. We've got 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we've got 3 tablespoons of bourbon. Now, I don't drink alcohol, but Pappy, he collects bourbon, but we don't open any of them. So I had to go to the liquor store and ask them for 3 tablespoons of bourbon, and this is what they gave me. Love it. So there's 1, 2, and 3. There's a little bit left. I don't drink, so won't be using that. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of soy. Let's take that top off. 2 tablespoons. I have had such a nice day today. It's been so pretty. Nice day. All right, we've got fresh ginger, a tablespoon. And then I need a tablespoon of fresh lime. And oh, that smells so good. I think there was a restaurant in Newburgh, Indiana, that we went to that served bourbon glazed salmon, and I had it, and oh my, I just loved it. So I thought it can't be that hard to make. So there's a tablespoon of that, and I'm just gonna give that one more squeeze there, one more squeeze here, and then I need 3 tablespoons of garlic, 3 teaspoons. And I'm going to just do a little bit of that like that. Get that stirred around. Pepper. And then I need me some fresh ground. Try to keep a peppercorn around. Oh man, this is going to be so good. Hey you guys, now if you're new on here, go on ahead, and if you like this video, go on ahead and hit the like button, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button too, and that way you won't miss out on any of my videos, because you don't want to miss out. I can be silly sometimes, and we laugh at things, and I don't want anybody to miss out on anything. So, all right, now we're going to go ahead and open up our salmon. I got this at the store today, and it's about a pound and 4 ounces, a little over a pound. I'm going to cut this into 4 strips, like this, and just put it in there, and I'm going to let it marinate for a little while. So I'm going to put it back in the fridge, let it marinate for about an hour, then I'll pull it back out and we'll cook it. And that's what we've got. That's what we've got going on here. Oh, the flavors are wonderful. That fresh ginger, if you've never used fresh ginger, you should try it. It has a lemony smell to it, and it's just so nice and fresh. So we're going to let that marinate for about an hour, and then I'll pop back on here and we'll get this finished up. And it won't take long to cook. It's about 4 minutes on each side. So you all be sure and hit that like button and hit subscribe. And we'll get back on here in a minute and finish this bourbon glazed salmon. Okay? Toodle-oo. Okay, it's been a little over an hour, and we're going to go ahead and cook this salmon. Oh my goodness, it's going to be delicious. So I've got my cast iron skillet on a little bit before medium high. Let me get a little bit more, and I'm doing this in olive oil. There we go. So this bourbon glazed salmon, oh you guys, this is going to be great. This will give me and Pappy each 2 nice pieces of salmon. I'm going to save this. This is like going to be a I'll just put it in there, huh? There we go. And we'll save that. And this is what we'll put over it. Oh my. Oh, it just smells so good. So we're going to let that cook about 4 minutes on each side. And so with this, we're going to have a little side salad. And we're going to have a little bit of some bread, maybe French bread. The side salad's always good to have. A baked potato. I have sweet potatoes, but I think we're going to do just a regular baked potato. We haven't had one this week at all, and we like potatoes. And I'm also going to grab my knife while we're waiting for that to cook a little bit. I'm going to take a couple of these onions here. That is going to be good with that. Pappy likes onions, so I wash them off. I don't want to move my camera anymore, so this up. And so any of you all that have never been to Kentucky, let me tell you, this week it was beautiful in Kentucky. We went to Lexington to see our daughter and son-in-law, and man, it was so beautiful. And we got off the highway and went to the Four Roses Bourbon Distillery, and the country roads were just beautiful. They were just beautiful. And it's coming right on along. I don't think it's going to be 4 minutes on each side, really. I'm going to go ahead and turn that. Oh man, look at that sear on that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish you all could smell it. Oh, that is it right there. I'm having a little trouble with that burner. For some reason, there's a little part in there that just doesn't want to cook evenly. Oh my, y'all. Got our onion. Got a plate here. I'm going to grab a fork because I'm a taster. I like to taste. Y'all know that. You know that. And there is a, let's see if this is flaky on the end. Oh, heavens, yes. You guys. You know it's done when it's got a little flake to it. Let me bring this up a little closer. See, it's flaky. Right there. See that white meat right there? That means that it's done. So we are going to taste it, of course. Oh. That is delicious right there. Yes, it is. You all, this was such an easy to make. Man, that is so good. So I'm going to check the inside. Make sure that I'm checking like the thickest piece. It's not done yet. You sure don't want to serve someone some salmon that is not done, because when it's served to you, you're ready to eat. And there's nothing worse than having to hand your plate back to whoever the cook is and say, you're going to have to cook that a little longer. So I'm just going to go on ahead and let this stay on here for a little bit longer. The little piece that I had is very good. So I've got my heat on about medium high. This piece I know right here is done. I'm going to take that out because I sure don't want it getting too done. Yum, yum, yum. It's good. It's good stuff, guys. That is good stuff right there. I have another lime. I'm going to cut that right quick. And I'm going to squeeze over that a little bit. This other half a lime, I'll save it. If Pappy wants it, he can have it. I'll cut it up and he can put it on his if he'd like. But we're almost there. It's almost done. Man, that looks really good. I'm going to turn it over on its side. Let it get browned on the sides. But it is almost done. It was that quick. I like a quick and easy meal. Woo-wee. Pappy was saying the other night how he would like to have some seafood. So I thought, well, here you go. We'll do some salmon. That piece is done. Get that up. It's just falling apart. It is so yummy and tender, and I would rather have it in these pieces like this than to have it undercooked. That one's still hanging out together. There you go. Hey, if you all haven't yet, go on ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button, because I don't want y'all to miss out on any of my videos now. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down now. Go ahead and turn her down. Piece is done. Whoops! That just fell apart right there. That's done. That's done. That's done. Oh man, y'all. Woo! There we go. Some bourbon glazed salmon. So We're going to have another bite. You know how I like to do that. Man. Take this onion, put over it, and there you go. Bam. And it is done. So you all hit that like button and subscribe. I don't want you missing me. And I'll talk to you all later. Y'all have a great night. Toodle-oo.